Okay, time now for Jeff's car culture. How to start a car collection.
Yeah,
Jeffrey.
we talked earlier that we've talked about a lot of the car collections around the world, but
Catching, isn't it?
yeah, prior to purchasing cars, it's important to ask yourself questions like, what type of collectibles can I afford? Jay Leno recommends listening to your heart when beginning a car collection, but you don't have his money. So determine your storage solution. Before you start making any purchases, you want to arrange storage locations, especially if you plan to build a collection of more than 4 vehicles. Square footage, location, security, that's all the factors that you really need to consider. Despite popular misconceptions, classic car collecting isn't a hobby reserved for the rich and famous. You can actually start a collection with hot rods and cars for under 10 grand. So there's a market out there. Establish your collection theme. One of the tips for collecting is, what do you want to do? It's got to be cohesive. What sets your collection apart from the random assortment of vehicles? If you're unsure where to begin,
Start with a muffler.
start with a muffler. Prior to purchasing cars, it's important to ask yourself, like, what am I more interested in? Vintage, sports cars, hot rods? What type of collectibles can you afford? So that's the main thing before you even get started. Network with fellow collectors. Be here at the Lupe Tortilla, at the car shows here. Get guidance, get technical advice, get some things from the network people. You're networking with other cars as well. It's invaluable. Don't forget to set a budget. Get caught up with the excitement of the first car, soon to be a collector. Could be a reckless purchase with no decision. Before buying a collector car, build out your collection wish list. Account for maintenance costs. Is that car going to be maintained in that spot? So you got to consider that as well. And lastly, just ask questions. Ask the questions that we all want to know about our hot rod. So get involved in that, network, find out what you're going to do, make a list, check it twice, start a collection. Sure. Yep. Right.
All different kinds. I don't know how many he's got. Lots. Fill up the entire barn. I know another guy that his car collection is originals, untouched originals. All original. Got to have the paperwork.
Yep.
Numbers matching, the whole line. It's all originals. That's all he's got. He's probably got 75. All originals. One of them is a Ford GT. A Ford GT that still has the original wrap on the seats.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
You open the door. Everything's all still in plastic. How much is that worth?
Wow.
Yeah. Of course, I don't know how much it costs. Probably a lot. But those are the kind of things. I got a Chevy collection.
Yeah.
I got a Chevy collection from the 80s. I got a Buick collection from the 90s.
Yeah.
Whatever. That's the whole collection
And that's the
thing.
point of it. If you're I like the Novas, the Cougars, the Torinos, things like that. That would be something that you would collect. Other guys do the Ferraris. You got Corvettes.
How much money you got?
Exactly.
All right, time now for this.